Yeah, we are recording for
Relax and take
do
notes
it yourself
while I take totes
for
of the marijuana smoke.
Nano
Oh, you wanna
ceramic
choke?
bottle.
Gun smoke, gun smoke.
So this okay.
Biggie
Let's
smoke
clean
the mayor, the
the
rap
surface
slayer, the hooker
properly.
layer. Motherfucker, say your prayers. Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face, take her Gucci bag and a North Face off her back. Jab her if she act funny with the money. Oh, you got me mistaken, honey. I don't wanna rape ya, I just want the paper, the visa, capisha. I'm out like the vapor.
Little bit
Who's
wet,
the one you
okay,
call
generally
Mr. Macho? The head
take the
honcho,
whole
spit this like Cumacho. I got so much style, I should be down with the stylistic. Makeup to break up, niggas need to wake up. Smell the Indonesia, beat you to a seizure. And fuck your moms, hit the shit to amnesia. She don't remember shit, just the 2 hits. Her hitting the floor, and me hitting the clips. Sucking on the tits, had the hooker begging for the dick. And your moms ain't ugly, love, my dick got rock quick. I guess I was a combination of House of Pain and Bobby Brown. I was bumping around and jumping around. Chapter then I asked her who's the man, she said B.I.G. Then I bust in her E.Y.E. You dead wrong.
Just shake it before use.
The weak of the strong, who got it going on? You're dead wrong. The weak of the strong, who got it going on? When I get dusted, I like to spread the blood like mustard. Trust it, the hardcore rain leaves you rusted. Move over, Lucifer, I'm more ruthless. Leave you toothless, you kip it, I flip it. Tears don't affect me, I hit them with the tech G. Disrespect me, but potency is deadly. I'm shooting babies, no ifs, ands, or maybe. Hit mommy in the tummy if the hooker plays the dummy. Slit the wrist, a little sis. After she sucked the dick, I stabbed her brother with the ice pick. Because he wanted me to fuck him from the back. But Smalls don't get down like that. Found your father hiding in the room. Fucked him with the broom. Slid him down the back and threw salt in the wound. Who you think you're dealing with? Anybody stepping to my path is fucking feeling it. Hardcore, I got it sucked like a pussy. Stab you to your gushy. So please